Hey, so today for Tuesday tip at Real Turf Solutions, we're going to go over what travertine is. We've had a number of folks post over the last couple of days or make comments on our posts the last couple of days of a project that we've been doing with travertine. People have asked, well, what is travertine? Where did it come from? All that good stuff. So I wanted to go over and give you a few ideas and a few tips on travertine. So travertine is a natural stone. It is a light natural stone. It typically is mined in Turkey. In that region of the world. And so what we currently are doing is we're currently working with a natural vendor up in Atlanta, and they're bringing this stone from Turkey, and then we're able to install it. It's a material that can have a smooth surface, and it has a fine look to the top of it. It also looks like marble once it's finished. And once the finished product is completely done. And so travertine is one of those products that you can put down on your patio or on an area that gets a lot of sun. And in that sun, it doesn't really heat up like our normal pavers or concrete does. And so the travertine makes it more of a cooler surface for your actual feet. It's an actual harder stone. So that it will actually hold up to the weather and to the elements. But it's a very nice stone that can be put down over the top of pavers. It can actually be done like this project in a complete patio so that it's cool to the touch. It can stay out in the sun all day and not be very temperatures on the feet, those kind of things. So just some details about some travertine. If you're interested in travertine or any of the other paver products that we install, that'd be stone, that'd be pavers, all of those type of things, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out.